mean, no matter the state of the market, we got to do turkey stuff. It's Turkey Week.
That's right. That is right.
Oh, I know it's right. Oh, I know. Gobble gobble time.
Okay. What do we got, Brandon? What kind of fun and excitement do we got?
Oh, we got a ton of shenaniganery.
Hey, when is just real quick, when is the 7-day unstaking for June?
It's supposed to be today. I've been refreshing like crazy because I gotta hit that button. Have you been refreshing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not there. And I feel like we've been shammed.
Again.
I reamed them, and I think I'm gonna get kicked from this chat that I'm in. Like I reamed them.
Did they have anything to say? Oh, what? Oh, technical glitches, some bullshit.
No, no radio silence. It's funny because they haven't been able to switch the 7-day staking, but Monad was able to launch their entire layer 1 on time. Is that weird? Their entire layer 1 is launched today. Which let's talk about that launch, shall we? Did you see it?
No.
They were able to get their launch in. Obviously, you guys know we talked about this last couple of weeks. The pre-sale was on Coinbase.
Oh wait, did they get to 200?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think they got to 250 or whatever it was. Like they didn't get it. But it's funny because people are we can look at the price right now. So the price is 0.023, and if you guys remember, the purchase price was 0.025.
Yeah.
So everybody's down. No big deal. We kind of expected that. Nobody made any money because at one point it was up to like 0.02627, something like that.
And everybody started dumping.
People were trying to sell, and then Coinbase was hitting them with this fee. Oh my gosh, dude. So this guy was up $500, but he tried to sell it, and he was like gonna lose $565 in fees.
So Coinbase had they had a penalty fee, didn't they?
I don't know if it was a penalty fee or a spread fee.
Because didn't they say that you were going to get penalized if you sold on day one? So maybe they're doing it through a fee.
Yeah, maybe they are doing it through a fee. Maybe that's what it was. But that's some deep small print stuff if that's the case. Because that's pretty nuts.
That's what we call in these days. That's small dick energy.
Yeah. Well, we have our meme of the day here. This is the funny one because Monad waited for the exact wrong time to launch.
Yeah.
This guy's wait for it in the good wait for it. Great market launch. Absolutely horrendous market conditions.
They couldn't have called it worse if they had launched on October 10th.
I know, because even October 10th, everybody would have been like, well, I got to save my bags at least. It's not down that bad.
Yeah.
But now everybody's like in a state of like running for the hills, ready to jump off a cliff.
Yeah.
So it launched. The way they did like their airdrops, if anybody got airdrops or anything, was kind of better though. They didn't make you go claim it. They legitimately airdropped it, which is kind of weird. Yeah, they airdropped like the good old days. So if you had like any of the qualifications to get the airdrop, this is this is different than the Coinbase launch. Then you got that in your wallet. You could just go swap it onto Bridge. Second one.
Did you get some?
Yeah, I got a little bit, and I don't know what from. I have no idea, dude. I have no idea. I don't know. Like you never know. Like I got some. I don't know.
Did it just show up, or did you have to add the contract address?
No, I just looked onto Bridge, and then I just went to the mainnet onto Bridge and just pulled up to swap to Ethereum, and it showed I had some Monad. So I just swapped it straight to Ethereum second one I saw.
How much Monad did you have?
68,000. So it was 0.7 ETH, $2,000.
$2,000 or $200?
2,000.
You had $2,000. You don't even know how you got it?
No clue. Zero clue. I don't know, dude. I don't know. It was just on my one. I'm thinking it was an NFT. I got to go look at an NFT project that I once owned. I'm pretty sure it was an NFT project called. Oh my gosh.
Because I didn't get
I don't
any.
know. I'm pretty sure it was Moonbirds. I had some Moonbirds at one point, and I'm pretty sure that's why. But I don't think I would be up on the whole equation because I'm pretty sure whatever NFT project, the NFT projects, you lost money on every single one of them. So I'm pretty sure whatever happened, I'm net negative. So whatever.
I just looked through all my accounts. I didn't get nothing. Nothing.
Yeah. So anyway, those guys launched at the worst possible time. Everybody that bought on Coinbase is down negative. I don't know. It seems like an unnecessary layer one. I am not buying it here either. Typically, these airdrops end up like this. They kind of flatten out and then they just kind of dump off. So I don't know that it's worth a purchase. I'll watch it though. I'll watch it, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it. I think I'm good. I'm good.
They always have that one run. So what you do is, I think at a penny, you get some, and then when it makes its one run to 4 cents or 6 cents, deuce up out. I'm sure that they're gonna pump it and promote it and like, oh, this is the greatest thing, man, that you're missing it.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. They should have a little run somewhere, right?
Oh. Maybe I'll trade my twin tokens for
it. Swap out a twin into Monad?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that.
I got kicked in the monads. Think about all those guys that went in heavy with like 500K I'm taking a bigger chunk.
And they can't sell it now. Oh, This is brutal. It's bad. I mean, this was expected. I mean, when it doesn't fill up the pre-sale, it's not going to be great. Oh well. Back in 2021 when tokens launched, the ICOs were so fun. You could buy if you got a pre-sale allocation, you were making money.
Back in 2017, everything made money.
Yeah, if you got a pre-sale, it was like winning.
You were like, I don't want it. That thing's only good for a 10x. I'm trying to get a 20 back.
I'm not spending a 10x. That's garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah, these were the days, man. Those were the days. Nowadays, you got to be like, I got to invest wisely. I got to get 10% per year, and I'm super stoked. The other thing is probably as you expected would happen with one scammy company working with one scammy individual. There's so many of them. I'm not even going to make you guess, but a scammy exchange. Okay, let's start one with the scammy exchange. Of all the scammy exchanges that we think might go belly up here soon, which one do you think?
All the scammy ones? Well,
yeah, the scammy ones that possibly could go belly up. They froze withdrawals last week or a couple weeks ago.
Oh, well, MEXC is the scammy.
Yeah, MEXC. Okay, MEXC decided to partner with James Wynn.
For what?
You can now copy trade with James Wynn on MEXC using his exclusive link. So he's going to start with 250,000, which MEXC gave him.
Of course.
His goal is 25 million. Sign up for MEXC now.
He's just trying to get a quick little 100x, huh?
There's no guarantee. Yeah, quick little hundo.
Why would anybody copy trade him?
Dude, I don't even know. At this point, he happened to be right going down, but he hasn't proved that he's actually even made any money.
He hasn't. He was already blown up. He had no money in it.
Yeah, and so I don't know that he made any money, but he called it. So MEXC's working with him now, and I'm guessing he'll go long. I don't know, actually. I have no clue because he still claims Bitcoin is going to 40,000. So
then he'll go short.
Yeah, so maybe he goes short, and people copy
that would
trade.
Be the greatest. He'll be wiped within the week. He'll be out in a week.
Yeah, I hope so. This is going to end up poorly, which is good because now it's going to be all watchable, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm sure somebody's going to report on it. I'm not going to go watch it.
You know what it
but
would
somebody
be
else
fun
will.
to do? It'd be fun. Yeah, it would be. It'd be fun to meet him at an event
Oh crap!
and just
Yeah,
open hand bitch slap him.
because you can't.
There's
You can't
nothing to
close fist
say.
him.
There's nothing to say. There's nothing. He just needs an open hand bitch slap.
True. True. Very true. That,
And then when he
that
says
guy.
when he's crying and picks himself off the ground, he's like, I don't understand. Like, that's because when hoes get mouthy. That's it.
I
That's
don't
all
know.
you have to say. You just say when hoes get mouthy, you should walk off. And he'll know. He'll know.
This guy's never doxed himself for proper reasons.
Oh, of
he
course.
knows.
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, he's
dude,
some
for
masturbating
proper
loser.
reasons.
Yeah, he's some jerk off. Yeah.
Yeah. You just said the same thing twice.
Yeah.
So, the only other last thing, I don't know if you saw the JP Morgan stuff.
Which JP Morgan stuff?
Tons, I guess. It's all
Go
kind of
on.
related, I guess.
Go on,
So
then.
Max
Oh,
Kaiser.
here we go. Max, I'm never selling Kaiser.
Yeah, he's the guy. So he's obviously, he claims he's done research, I guess, and says JP Morgan is naked shorting in South Korea, supposedly. I don't know why they're going over. Anyway, so JP Morgan now owns a significant short portion in MicroStrategy, and they're shorting MicroStrategy like crazy.
That's funny.
And over the weekend, a lot of their customers started bailing out. So like Grant Cardone, he's like that real estate guy. He withdrew $20 million.
Yeah.
They closed. JP Morgan actually sent a letter to Jack Mallers. You know Jack Mallers, right?
Yeah,
he's
kind of to be honest, Mahler's kind of a scummy dude too.
Oh, I agree. Yeah. When he talks, I don't trust him.
Yeah,
and he's the one that opened up.
I think he's someone who would steal from you.
He is. He's doing it openly. He opened up Strike, the lending platform that charges you 12% on your Bitcoin loan.
Yeah,
and he's acting like it's the best thing ever. So they're the ones that are opening. He's working with Tether.
So he's an absolute crook. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So that's Jack Mull. Anyway, they closed his accounts. And so he has to get those things all taken care of. It was a couple weeks ago. This happened with him. But everybody's starting to leave JP Morgan. They're closing their accounts and stuff because they're targeting strategy and short selling pretty bad. I guess they got kicked off a few of exchanges over in South Korea because of their targeting and their short selling. And they said, so now people are starting to do the GameStop thing. They're trying to rise the GameStop army to to short JP. I don't know. To buy MicroStrategy, not Bitcoin. To buy MicroStrategy.
That's a mistake.
Which I think, because guess who can dump immediately if people try to pump it up? Michael Saylor, right?
Yeah.
So he'll do at the money, and they just will never win. This isn't a thing you can win. So they're trying to get a GameStop army together to buy MicroStrategy because they said if MicroStrategy rises 50%, JP Morgan will be bankrupt, which cannot happen, by the way. JP Morgan can't be bankrupt.
Well,
they won't be.
Also, they wouldn't be bankrupt because they would leave their position well before that. It's not like the people at JP Morgan left for Christmas. They'll be back in January, and Michael Saylor can rally some grassroots movement with a bunch of 6 IQ morons. Like, get off the gas. guess who doesn't have any money? Those same people. Because guess who's unemployed? All those people. All of them. That whole effing group is unemployed. It is what it is. You're part of the unwashed masses, GameStop army. So I don't know what to tell you. You were dumb then. You're dumb now. And I think this is Saylor in a roundabout way trying to rally support. This is a Saylor thing. And if I was Chase and I had competent, traders, I'd probably short it too if that was my job, because it's a Ponzi scheme what he's doing. So good. Short it to zero. But understand that BlackRock will go take the other side of that bet, and they'll protect Saylor.
Oh, 100%. Yeah. I thought it was all hilarious. Interesting they're trying to start that, but yeah, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Nothing's going to come of it. They can't raise any grassroots movement to be able to do this type of thing. It's just not going to
No,
happen.
and also it shouldn't be buy micro strategies to get them in trouble. It should be buy Bitcoin.
Yeah, and then if MicroStrategy goes up as a consequence, then that's okay because then nobody can dump the Bitcoin against you at least.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Like you want to save MicroStrategy, buy Bitcoin. You want to stick it to Chase, buy Bitcoin.
Which nobody should be buying MicroStrategy anyway.
And also, imagine telling that group of idiots on Reddit which of the 75 different assets you're supposed to buy MicroStrategy. Which one? STRK, STRG, STRKP, STRQ, double elemental P. Like, there's so many assets. No one knows what the heck to buy.
Double elemental P. Yes, that's the last one. I like that one. So over the weekend, we saw Bitcoin somewhat stabilize, right?
Yeah, seems like it. 86-ish.
Yeah, we saw it not crap lower than 80,000. Yep. I mean, so that's right. Somewhat positive over the weekend. I mean, there was only $237 million wrecked yesterday, which is nothing between friends, you and I, dude. That's nothing. That's nothing.
Yeah.
That's not even worth talking about anymore.
Yeah, if we're not at $1 billion, $1.5 billion, it ain't smoke.
It's like embarrassing that we're even talking about
Friday,
that.
On Thursday, let's see. Thursday was bad.
Yes, Friday was pretty bad.
Yeah. So in the weekend, there was no more bad to be had. It was all the bad was.
Yeah, it's like the exhaustion of the bad is just it's over.
There weren't no more bad left.
Last week, the Bitcoin ETFs had the biggest outflows ever. Obviously, you guys saw that. Record total week, the worst week in Bitcoin ETF history. But with the stability over the weekend, I think that does lend to the idea that we could see a little bit of. I don't think it might not be over, but if it stabilizes, we could see a pretty quick bounce, which could be pretty optimistic for everybody. There are, if we look at the liquidation, I like to look at just the liquidation heat map. I don't think it means anything anymore, but you can kind of see how many skewed shorts and longs now. The longs are starting to pick back up. This long side was empty on Friday, almost to zero. Like it had been completely wiped. And now you look at it and there's still quite a bit more shorts than longs, but longs are starting to pick back up, which I don't know. I wonder if they banned leverage trading for a little bit, if we could stabilize a little bit better. Probably, but maybe not. Who knows? Maybe it all just happens the same.
Man. They just are. There's no way around it.
Maybe it's just, maybe it happens the same, but it's just less volume because now just the volume's going up on both sides probably because they're 100xing. That's it. So people going to leverage. I thought most of the leverage would move over to the gambling markets, but I guess this is gambling too, the prediction markets. Did you know they have a bet over here on Polymarket? The bet is nothing will happen. Nothing happens in November. No. So nothing happen? Yes, no.
How do you
they have a defined stat. So they have 6 things that can't happen. One of them, so Zoran is going to lose the mayoral election, which he already won, so that one didn't happen. The U.S. and Venezuela military engages. So if they go to fight, that's a yes, and it resolves anyway. Russia-Ukraine ceasefire. So that has to happen. If it doesn't, then it's still a no, so that's good. Xi Jinping out. No. Nuclear weapon detonates or the U.S. government stays shut down. So if none of those things happen, then you win this bet.
then nothing ever happens.
Then nothing happens in November. That's what we've come to. That's just so funny. That's the state of the betting the prediction markets.
Yeah.
Well, why don't we bet on why don't we literally bet on nothing? Let's literally bet on nothing right now.
I feel strongly that nothing happens.
Oh my gosh, I thought that was so fun. I looked at that, I'm like, let's bet on nothing. Okay, got it. But you did see the Fed rate decision took a mad flip all of a sudden. From no 65% chance of no change to now 75% chance there's going to be a rate cut all of a sudden.
Yeah,
Surprise,
well,
surprise.
that was the New York Federal Reserve Bank, NYF.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it seems like Williams was pretty clear, intimating that other than one of the couple standouts that were like, no, waiting for tariff inflation. They're like, oh, that's like waiting for Guffman. Like, stop, dude. Just stop. Like, just get over it. Target tried. It was all you needed to know about tariff inflation was right in Target's report. Target raised prices like 2%, and they lost 30% of their business.
Yeah.
Gone. You know where they all went? Walmart. Listen, when Walmart turns in a good quarter, that's not good. If Walmart's doing well, it's a bad sign of the economy. Like when dollar stores are doing well, it's not good. Because it means people that would be spending more money in the economy are like value shopping. When Walmart's like, oh man, a lot of our high income, we got a lot more high income clients now. That's not good. That means those were high income clients, and now they go back down to them unwashed masses. They're still stuck on oxycodone and Ozempic because we all want to be skinny.
It's the shortcut to skinny, Nick. Don't you know it?
Yeah.
Ozempic. Wait.
We almost went down a path of talking about implants and how ridiculous they look. Have you seen people with butt implants? Their whole body is just like pathetic, and then they have like
a huge butt.
Yeah, and you're like, no. Stop, just stop.
Did you tell them?
We know how the universe works. We know how genetics works. It isn't like you just
whatever.
Come on.
That's their parents' Brazilian coming out.
Can't even spell it.
That's because. No, it's because they have a great grandma who's Brazilian. They're like, well, that's my great grandma's part.
Okay. What do we have? I mean, so still we can't jupe. We can't get out of our dang jupe.
Let's go see. Where is that? Let me refresh. Like, it should have been done. Like, this is so silly. Like, I told them they should have 0. Cool. Why is there any lockup?
Yeah.
It's not like it's validating the
what is the lockup achieve?
I don't know. Because it's time weighted. So if you're staked, you should get a time weighted reward. If you're unstaked, you don't. So who cares if you should be able to free ball in and out of that pool, right?
Yeah, I'm looking now.
It's not like I just refreshed.
Yeah, no, nothing. Big old fat pile of nothing.
We'll see if they've said anything in any of the chats. Nothing that I see.
What a bunch of dirtbags, honestly.
It's getting more and more frustrating. Some of the things they do. It just doesn't add up. Like it's like one of those things. You're like your sixth sense perks up, and you're like, something's not adding up.
Yeah.
Something's not adding up. You know?
Well, I'll tell you what is adding up. 24 cents times my entire portfolio. I know that's adding up.
That's some Bitcoin coming your way, isn't it?
Could be.
Anyway, let's go behind the wall. Let's chit chat.
Let's do it. Yeah, Chase, you're fired. Boop, bam, pow.
Going behind the proverbial wall now to continue the broadcast privately for the digital investors and digital private clients. If you'd like to join us, simply go to nickblacknext.com and subscribe to one of our plans and immediately take advantage of our library of tools, tactics, and information. It's all designed to help you learn, grow, and manage your portfolio like a pro. Join us now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.